How to send a message on YouTube. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now here you're going to find the fun videos. You have to head over to the YouTube channel of the person to whom you want to send the message. Just go ahead and click on the profile of that person. You'll be directed to the profile page of that YouTube channel. Now here you're going to find this option of more about channel. Below the profile picture, you have to click on it. Now in this page, you're going to find the details of the channel. Unfortunately, at the moment you are not able to send a message on YouTube directly, but in the case the person has linked Instagram, WhatsApp or Facebook, you'll be able to send the message through that social media platform. You just have to click on it. Now you can go ahead and open up your Instagram account and send the message to that person. So right now this is the only alternative way. If in the future YouTube comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. I hope now you guys are clear if you can send a message on YouTube or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.